What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be replacing the front brake pads and rotors on this 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. So let's get to it. Loosen the 21mm wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack and place a 2x4 on the jack to protect the subframe. Support the vehicle on jack stands. Remove the T50 star bolt holding the rotor. Use some locking pliers to remove the brake hardware. Be very careful, they can spring out. Remove the top and bottom caliper covers and then remove both 11mm Allen head caliper bolts. Start the car and turn the wheel to gain better access to the bolts. You might want to do this in the beginning. Remove the brake pad wear sensor. The passenger side doesn't have one. Sensor. Compress the caliper piston just a little bit with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the two 15mm caliper bracket bolts. If the rotor doesn't come out smooth, tap it with a hammer. Clean the new rotor with brake cleaner. Compress the caliper piston using a pad spreader. Clean and lubricate the caliper. Install the components back.